Hey there, lovebirds. The new year is here, and I know many of you are thinking about how to make 2025 your best year yet, especially when it comes to your relationship. I recently ran a poll asking, what's your relationship goal for 2025? And guess what? The winning answer was how to make your relationship better. That's why I'm so excited to share today's video with you. Whether you're in a long-term relationship or just starting something new, these practical tips will help you deepen your connection, communicate better, and bring out the best in your relationship. Watch till the end to get the full idea, because every step builds on the last, and you won't want to miss a thing. Step 1. Prioritize quality time together. Spending quality time together is the lifeblood of a strong and fulfilling relationship. In the hustle of daily life, it's easy to let meaningful interactions slip away, leaving your connection feeling strained or distant. To counteract this, carve out intentional time for each other, whether it's a weekly date night, an evening walk, or even just sitting down together for a distraction-free meal. By doing this, you reinforce the message that your partner is a priority, which not only strengthens your bond, but also keeps the romantic spark alive. Shared activities that bring joy, laughter, and deep conversation can transform these moments into memories that define your relationship. Equally important is being fully present during these moments. Turn off the TV, silence your phone, and focus solely on your partner. Quality time isn't just about proximity, it's about connecting emotionally and intellectually. This conscious effort to engage with one another fosters intimacy, builds trust, and creates an environment where love can grow unshakably strong. Step 2. Improve communication. Communication is the foundation of every successful relationship. Start by practicing active listening, truly hearing your partner without interrupting or mentally planning your next response. When you listen with intention and validate their feelings, you create a safe space for open dialogue. Express your own needs clearly and respectfully, ensuring that both of you feel heard and understood. This isn't just about talking, it's about cultivating understanding and empathy. Another key is to handle conflicts with care. Use I statements to express your emotions, like "I feel overwhelmed when," instead of pointing fingers with "you never." This shifts the focus from blame to collaboration. Over time, these habits will not only strengthen your communication, but also create a relationship dynamic that thrives on mutual respect and teamwork. Step 3. Practice daily appreciation. Gratitude might seem simple, but it's transformative in relationships. Make a habit of expressing daily appreciation for your partner. Compliment them on their efforts, thank them for the little things, and acknowledge their impact on your life. These small, consistent gestures reinforce positive feelings and make your partner feel valued. It doesn't take grand gestures to show appreciation. A quick thank you or a heartfelt note can go a long way in keeping the emotional connection alive. When gratitude becomes a daily practice, it shifts the relationship's atmosphere to one of love and respect, fostering deeper intimacy and long-term satisfaction. Step 4. Learn from arguments. Conflicts are inevitable, but they don't have to weaken your relationship. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth. When disagreements arise, focus on understanding your partner's perspective rather than winning the argument. Respectful communication during these moments can lead to constructive solutions that bring you closer. After the argument, reflect on what triggered the conflict. Understanding patterns in behavior or communication can help prevent future misunderstandings. When you approach arguments as learning experiences, you not only resolve issues, but also build a stronger foundation of trust and empathy. Step 5. Be supportive. Being a supportive partner means showing up for your loved one, especially in times of need. Whether it's encouraging them to pursue their goals, comforting them during challenges, or celebrating their victories, your support reinforces trust and teamwork. Avoid criticism when your partner is vulnerable. Instead, offer encouragement and validation. This creates a safe environment where they feel understood and valued. Over time, mutual support deepens your connection and makes your relationship a resilient partnership. Step 6. Be attentive to each other's needs. Understanding and meeting each other's needs is vital for intimacy. Take the time to learn how your partner prefers to give and receive love, whether it's through physical touch, words of affirmation, or quality time. Tailoring your affection to their preferences strengthens emotional bonds. Check in regularly to ensure these needs are being met, as they may evolve over time. Showing adaptability and commitment to meeting each other's desires cultivates a sense of security and deepens trust within the relationship. Step 7. focus on personal growth. Personal growth doesn't just benefit individuals, it enriches relationships. Encourage your partner's goals and celebrate their achievements. By supporting each other's aspirations, you show respect for each other's autonomy while fostering mutual admiration. Additionally, pursue growth as a couple. Try new activities together, attend workshops, or set shared goals. This approach not only strengthens your bond, but also ensures that you're growing together, not apart, over time. Step 8. Have fun together. Laughter and joy are essential for a thriving relationship. Whether it's through shared hobbies, spontaneous adventures, or even a simple movie night, fun strengthens your bond and creates positive memories. Make an effort to infuse fun into your routine. It prevents complacency and keeps the relationship exciting. These joyful moments are what you'll look back on as the highlights of your journey together. Step 9. Be spontaneous. Routine can be comforting, but too much of it can dull a relationship's spark. Inject spontaneity by planning surprise dates or doing something unexpected to make your partner smile. These little surprises show thoughtfulness and keep the relationship fresh. They're a reminder that love thrives on excitement and creativity, no matter how long you've been together. Step 10. Create new traditions. Traditions give your relationship a unique identity. Whether it's an annual getaway or a weekly ritual like cooking together, these practices deepen your connection and give you something to look forward to. Traditions also provide stability during uncertain times. They remind you of your shared history and commitment, reinforcing the emotional foundation of your relationship. Step 11. Set financial goals together. Money issues can strain relationships, but aligning on financial goals brings clarity and teamwork. Discussing aspirations like saving for a home or planning for retirement strengthens your bond. Regular financial check-ins ensure transparency and trust. Celebrating milestones along the way fosters a sense of shared achievement and unity. Step 12. Surprise with little things. Small, thoughtful gestures can have a big impact. A sweet note, an unexpected gift, or a surprise outing shows that you're thinking of your partner and value them. These surprises keep the romance alive and remind your partner that love is found in everyday kindness, not just grand moments. Step 13. Stay calm during disagreements. When tensions rise, staying calm can prevent arguments from escalating. Take a breather if needed and approach discussions with patience and understanding. Mindful communication helps resolve issues constructively. It's ensuring that conflicts don't weaken your relationship, but instead build mutual respect and trust. Step 14. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries create a sense of respect and trust in relationships. Discuss personal limits and agree on acceptable behaviors to maintain harmony. Respecting these boundaries reinforces autonomy and strengthens your bond by showing that you value each other's well-being. Step 15. Check in regularly. Regular check-ins help couples stay emotionally aligned. Take time to discuss how you're feeling about the relationship and address any concerns before they escalate. These conversations ensure that both partners feel heard and valued, fostering a connection that grows stronger with each passing day.